Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. My name is Shoaib and I am the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel youtube.com/pmclounge. If it's your first time here, we are all about PMP and project management. So consider subscribing to the YouTube channel if you want more such content. In this Lounge Fever video, by the way, Lounge Fever is a series of videos where I try to answer your questions received on email, YouTube, comments, Twitter, pigeons, and all other possible avenues. So in this video, I am answering the question about the difference between Delphi technique and brainstorming. Both of these are basically participation techniques where you seek advice and try to incorporate other point of views. But this particular question was related to risk management. Now, when you are trying to find out risks, you can still use these techniques to make sure you have different set of eyes go over your entire project. So let's begin with Delphi technique. Delphi technique is where you will ask the experts, and these experts may or may not be your project team members. So you will ask these experts to give you their opinions anonymously. You can then evaluate their opinions with your project team. Sit with your project team and evaluate the opinions that you have received from the experts. Meanwhile, brainstorming is basically you and your project team sitting in a room discussing. So you may discuss the possible risks of your project. You may even discuss ideas on how to make team lunches more interesting. That's brainstorming too. But you won't ask experts to anonymously give you their opinions about team lunches. Or will you do that? So that's the difference between brainstorming and Delphi technique. I hope the difference is clear. I hope you got value out of the video. Do smash that like button if you got value out of this video and found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload new content. As always, don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your #1 free PMP resource. Thank you and have a nice day.